Okay, that's a second interruption. So I'm going to go back and try to only have 2 to try to put together. Let's see, if I get interrupted again, I may stop. Support. It's lovely to have the support when you need it. Tempest. Volatile. Striking. That force again. These cards are great for that. Transient. See the phases of the moon. Underworld. That white light of a snake in the underworld. Very interesting interpretation there. Upheaval. Wow. Yeah, definitely works of art here, for sure. Vulnerability. Water. What a beautiful water card. Love the details of this water card. So much life in that water. Really beautiful. And finally, wisdom. The all-important wisdom. So I hope that you think that this is going to be a great deck. I know I do. I'm very glad to finally have this video done for it so I can kind of cleanse them, shuffle them, and see what decks I can work with. I have a feeling it's going to work with quite a few. So I love you guys. I will be uploading several today. Blessings.